करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं, स्वागत करते हम, स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं, स्वागत करते हम। देव पधारे अतिथि रूप में, महके उठी खुशबू फिजाओं में। देव पधारे अतिथि रूप में, महके उठी खुशबू फिजाओं में। मिलके कर सबका दिल से हम स्वागत, मिलके कर सबका दिल से हम स्वागत, स्वागत करते हम, स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं। देव यहाँ पर बरस रहा है, आप आए तो बाहर आ गई। देव यहाँ पर बरस रहा है, आप आए तो बाहर आ गई। मिलके कर सबका दिल से हम स्वागत, मिलके कर सबका दिल से हम स्वागत, स्वागत करते हम, स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं, स्वागत करते हम, स्वागत करते हम। थैंक यू।
Let's put our hand together and give a big round of applause to the talented performer for that wonderful welcome song, Swagatam. Your energy and enthusiasm truly set the tone for today. Now get ready to move for some fun as we move to next performance. That is Go Banana Dance by Kindergarten. It is
Everyone, my name is Krisita. I study in class nursery. Go Banana brings the vibe of pure happiness and fun. It is a fun and energetic dance designed to get people moving. I would like to call kindergarten students to perform on Go Banana. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to the bondage energy, laughter and excitement. Welcome to Go Banana. It's pay for lyrics. Revolve around the joy of letting loose and celebrating life. Thank you.
I've got an idea. Woohoo! Woohoo! Form the banana. Peel the banana. Slice. Slice the banana. guitar. Play it like a rock star. Jump, jump like a rock star. Rock, rock, rock a guitar. Now rock. Form, 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 corn. Shut, 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 corn. Cut, 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 corn. Now pop, 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 corn. Now pop. Yeah, pop. Form, form, form a big ball. Kick, kick, kick the big ball. Throw, throw, throw the big ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce the big ball. Now bounce. Form, form, form the banana. Peel, peel, peel the banana. Slice, slice, slice the banana. Go, go, go bananas. Go bananas. Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange, you glad I didn't say banana? What is Beethoven's favorite fruit? I don't know. What?
Their energy and creativity truly made this moment unforgettable. Up next, we have a short skit that beautifully demonstrates the importance of teamwork and sharing. In this skit, when the characters start sharing their resource and supporting each other, they find a way to succeed. Let's enjoy the performance and reflect on the power of collaboration. And the title of the skit is The Magic Recipe. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. I am Divyansu from Standard 4. We, the students of class 4th and 5th, are going to present a skit in front of you all. Its title is The Magic Recipe. It's about teamwork. Teamwork is not about who does the most. It's about working together. This skit teaches how the characters divided their work and helped each other. The great thing in life are never done by one person. They are done by a team of people. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. We are the students of class 4 and 5. Today we are going to present a skit. The title of our skit is The Magic Recipe. This is a skit about teamwork and importance of sharing. Now, I will introduce the characters of this skit. I am Himanshu, the narrator. Shresi as Sapsara. Anunay as Baker Bunny. Yes as Gardener Harry. Divyansu as Farmer Sam. Shashwat as Shopkeeper Jack. The setting is a small kitchen. Each character has a special ingredient but doesn't know what to make.
I have some flour, but I don't know what to do with just this. I require more ingredient to make something delicious.
Baker Bunny enters holding a bowl of sugar.
Hi, Sapsara. I have a bowl of sugar, but I cannot bake a cake without flour. What should I do?
Well, I have some flour. Why don't we work together? But we still need more ingredient.
Gardener Harry enters carrying a basket of fruits. Hello. I have so many fruits for my garden, but I don't know what to make with them.
What if we add your fruit to our recipe?
Well, that's a great idea, but we're still missing few things.
Farmer Sam enters with a bottle of milk.
Hi! I have fresh milk, but I don't know what to do with it.
Shopkeeper Jack enters with some dry fruits and vanilla essence.
Hi! I have some dry fruits and vanilla essence, but I don't know what to make with just this.
Why don't we make a fruit cake together?
I will chop the fruits.
I will pour the milk. I will put some dry fruits and vanilla essence. I will mix everything together.
They are mixing and baking the cake. The cake is ready now.
Awesome! We made it! The secret ingredients are not just these things.
It was indeed our teamwork.
And sharing.
And our friendship.
Hip hip
Hooray!
for our teamwork.
The skit teaches that sharing and working together makes tasks easier and more fun. Thank you.
Now, dear parents, it's time to make this event even more fun and interactive. We prepared a special quiz just for you. Our wonderful parents, let's test your knowledge and see who is ready to get the crown of smartest parent in audience today. Are you ready for quiz questions? They don't say. So next questions are? Okay, we are going to ask few questions to the parents and you have to... We are going to ask few questions to the parents and if you know the answer, you have to come on stage and give the answer. अरे यार क्वेश्चंस कहाँ गए? ये है this one. Okay. Ask. Who founded the Maurya Empire in 321 BC? These questions are for parents. Please give the answer if you know. Please come on the stage. If you know the answer, sir. Please come. Okay, I'll ask you. Who founded the Maurya Empire in 321 BC?
Chandragupta Maurya.
The answer is right. All of you give a big clap. Please clap for him. Please give a huge round of applause to him. Next question is, which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? This is from your own state. Which river is known as sorrow of Bihar? Anyone knows? Please come forward, sir. Please come.
The sorrow of Bihar, Kosi River.
Kosi River, yes. Very good. It's a correct answer. Please give a big round of applause for him. Clapping. Please clap. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups award? Next question is, which country has won the most FIFA World Cups. Anyone knows? Anyone knows? Oh. Answer. Yes, please come. It's Brazil. Please come, ma'am. Congratulations. It's Brazil.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Right answer.
She's the flag bearer of women empowerment. Give a huge round of applause, everyone.
A big round of applause for her.
Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? I repeat, who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India?
No, wrong answer, sorry. Please come on the stage. Please come on stage and give answers if you know. Please come on stage, sir. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India?
सुशांत सिंह बोले ना सुशांत सिंह अभी बोले ना हाँ जी
The right answer is Sukumar Sen. Yes. The right.
वही बोलने मत बड़ा के मैडम के सामने
It's okay. The right answer is Sukumar Sen. Please clap for him. Next question is, which planet in the solar system has the shortest day? Please come on stage if you know the answer. Please. No, it's wrong.
That's wrong.
No, it's wrong.
Guessing the planets.
Sorry. The right answer is Jupiter. Jupiter has the shortest day in the solar system.
What is the SI unit of electric charge?
Everyone knows.
What is the SI unit of electric charge?
That is the easy question. I hope you know. Please come on stage.
It's Coulomb.
Correct answer.
Let's clap for her. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? And where it is located? And where it is located? Yes, please come on stage, sir. Please come. It is a stapes and it's located in middle.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Who is the author of the book, A Brief History of Time? I repeat the question. Who is the author of the book, A Brief History of Time? He is a famous scientist, physically challenged but mentally very smart.
No, not Einstein.
Stephen Hawking.
Right?
That's the right answer.
Right.
Give a huge round of applause, everyone.
Hope you are enjoying. Which element is named after the planet Uranus?
Congratulations, ma'am. Once again. Sometimes all we need is a little confidence and a reminder that nothing is impossible. When we have a performance that beautifully captures this spirit, a group of chorus song titled I Can Do It, sang by our talented students of class 5 and 6. This song is all about self-belief, determination and the courage to chase our dreams. It's an anthem of positivity and resilience, a reminder to never give up no matter what challenges come in our way. So sit back, relax and let the melodious voice of these young stars inspire and uplift you. Please welcome this group with a big round of applause.
Don't ever think the road's too long or the stars are too high. Have confidence that you'll be strong. You'll be touching the sky. You should never be afraid. I know you'll be making a grade, making a grade. So count to 10 and start again and keep on telling yourself, I can do it, I will do it. Nothing goes to get in my way. I can do it, I will do it. Never going to stop till I can say, I did it. Don't ever think you'll drop the ball. You're as good as the rest. Have confidence that you'll be strong. You'll be passing the test. You should never be afraid. I know you'll be making the grade, making the grade. So count to 10 and start again and keep on telling yourself, I can do it, I will do it. Nothing goes to get in my way. I can do it, I will do it. Never going to stop till I can say, I did it. I can do it, I will do it. Nothing going to get in my way. I can do it, I will do it. Never going to stop, never going to stop, never going to stop till I can say, I did it. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Divanshu Kumar. I am from Standard 1. Vande Mataram is the rhythm of freedom, a hymn that united hearts and sparked revolution. It's more than a salute, it's a celebration of India's beauty, strength and spirit. Vande Mataram, true is what says, we feel the pulse of our nation, demanding us to honor and serve our beloved Bharat Mata. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Harshit Sahai from Standard 2. Vande Mataram is not just a song, it's a soul of India, a melody that celebrates our motherland, grace and glory. With every word of Vande Mataram, we bow to the mother who nurtures, protects and inspires us to the rise. It's a timeless anthem of love and devotion to our nation. Thank you.
after this patriotic song, we have a Christmas carol by the students of class 4th and 5th. Christmas carol highlights the festive spirit of Christmas, the essence of which is giving, enjoying, and loving the gift of life. So, I would like to call the students of class 4th and 5th to sing.
Good evening, everyone. Christmas is not just a season, it's a feeling, a time for love, kindness, and togetherness. What better way to embrace this festive season from the melodious sounds of Christmas carol? As we listen to the carol, let's remember the true spirit of Christmas giving, loving, and celebrating the gift of life. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. What's a Christmas without carol? They are not just a song. They are a celebration of faith, joy, and miracle of love. Carol are like little blessings wrapped in melodies, spreading cheer and touching every heart. So let's sing together.
There are many parents, but there is one parent whose name is Raman Singh, who is really excited and enthusiastic to say a few lines about our institution, our school, International Scholar School. So please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
थैंक यू वेरी मच मैडम। पहले तो मैं एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और शुक्रिया, बिकॉज मैं पूरा क्रेडिट I want to give entire credit to this International Scholars Award, and behind that the spine of International Scholar Award, Madam B. Priyam. Actually, what happens when you admit any child to any school, what is required is your parent also need to take care of the child, because it is not the solely responsibility of the school, but it is the responsibility of the parent also to take care of the child. But of course, many a times we forget to take care of our child, and the school is taking care of child so, and of course we are satisfied with that. मैं एक छोटा सा स्टोरी बोलना चाहूँगा। एक्चुअली ये हमारे बच्चों को उसी तरीके से नर्चर करता है जैसे इंटरनेशनल स्कॉलर अवार्ड कर रहा है। एक्चुअली हुआ क्या, एक पेरेंट थे, उनके फादर और मदर दोनों वर्किंग थे, और वो अपने और उनका एक बेटा था, तो अपने बच्चे के लिए वो बहुत पैसे इकट्ठा कर रहे थे। सोचे कि मेरा बच्चा अच्छे से पढ़ जाएगा और उसको कहीं नौकरी हो जाएगी। धीरे धीरे समय बढ़ता गया, उनका बच्चा कुछ खास नहीं कर पाया। तो उन पेरेंट ने सोचा मैं क्या करूं, तो उन्होंने बोला कि अच्छा चलो बच्चे को एक बिजनेस शुरू कर देते हैं। तो उन्होंने एक दुकान शुरू की अपने बच्चे के लिए। बच्चे 2-3 महीने हुए, बच्चे ने बोला मम्मा तुमने ये क्या कर दिया है, मैं बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हूं इस दुकान से जो आप लोगों ने शुरू किया है। तो मम्मा ने पूछा क्या हुआ बेटा? मम्मा यहाँ पे तो कोई कस्टमर आते ही नहीं है, कोई लोग आते ही नहीं है, तो मैं परेशान हो गया हूँ। फिर उसके मम्मी पापा ने सोचा अरे यार अभी बच्चे के तो 2-3 महीने ही हुए हैं इस दुकान को शुरू किए हुए, थोड़ा टाइम बच्चा देगा, उसके बाद वो देखेंगे कि ये दुकान ग्रो करता है या नहीं ग्रो करता है। खैर उसने घर में उधम मचा दिया और बोला नहीं पापा मुझे ये दुकान नहीं करना है, लेट अस चेंज माय बिजनेस। तो उन लोगों ने क्या किया, अपना बिजनेस चेंज कर दिया एंड दे हैव गॉन फॉर द अनदर वेंचर। फिर से 2-3 महीने बाद ऐसा ही हुआ, उसके बच्चे ने फिर से वैसा ही बोला पापा ये आपने क्या शुरू कर दिया है यार, ये तो एकदम ही बेकार चीज है यार, ये तो कुछ भी मुझे फायदा नहीं हो रहा है, मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है यार। फिर उनके मम्मी पापा ने सोचा कि यार थोड़ा टाइम देगा तभी तो कुछ फायदा होगा। उस एक्चुअली एक उनके टीचर थे जिनकी बात वो बच्चा बहुत मानता था। तो उनके माता पिता ने क्या किया, उन टीचर के पास गए और उनको बोला कि एक दिन आकर के मेरे बच्चे को कुछ समझाइए। वो टीचर आए उनके घर पे, तो बच्चा आया उनके पास, बच्चे ने उनका बहुत आदर किया और बोला कि अरे हमारे गुरु महाराज आए हैं, गुरु महाराज आए हैं, बोले क्या खाने के लाऊं, क्या खाने के लाऊं। तो आम का समय था तो बच्चा आम लेकर के आया। जब बच्चा आम लेके आया तो टीचर ने बोला बहुत टेस्टी आम है तुम्हारा, बहुत टेस्टी आम है, ये तुमने अपने बाग में उगाया है क्या? बच्चे बोला नहीं नहीं सर बाग में तो नहीं उगाया है, मैंने अब इसको तो मार्केट से लाया। बोला ऐसा करो, आम की जो आठी होती है उसको रोप देने से नया पेड़ उग जाता है। बोला इस आठी को जाकर के अपने बाग में लगा दो। लगा दिया बच्चे ने। फिर से 10 दिन बाद उसके शिक्षक आए, बोले बेटा आम का पेड़ हो गया क्या? वो बोला ये टीचर मेरे क्या बोल रहे हैं, 10 दिन तो हुआ है, 10 दिन में कैसे आम का पेड़ उग जाएगा? बोला नहीं सर वो तो आम का पेड़ हुआ नहीं अभी। बोला यार तुम्हें आम का बीज लगाना नहीं आता है, ऐसा करो उसको खोद के निकाल के लेके आओ, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूं कैसे लगाना है। बेचारा क्या करता, उस शिक्षक की वो बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता था, खोद के निकाल के लेके आया उससे। उसने बोला तुमने ऐसे लगाया था, इसको ऐसे नहीं इसको उल्टा करके लगाते हैं। फिर से लगा दिया। फिर से 10 दिन बाद शिक्षक आए, बोले बेटा आम का पेड़ हो गया क्या? बोला मैं आपको बोलता हूं 10 दिन के अंदर कैसे आम का पेड़ हो जाएगा, आप इतना नहीं समझते क्या? आपने इतने अच्छे से मुझे पढ़ाया है, इतने टाइम में आप ये नहीं समझ पाए क्या? बोला बेटा मैं यही समझाने तुम्हें आया हूं कि किसी को काम करने के लिए सतत अभ्यास की जरूरत होती है, जो इंटरनेशनल स्कॉलर अवार्ड कर रहा है अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ। और मैं इस इंटरनेशनल स्कॉलर्स अवार्ड के एफर्ट को लेकर के मैं काफी संतुष्ट हूं और मैं ऐसा चाहता हूं कि मेरे आसपास के जो भी बच्चे हैं या मेरे परिवार के जो भी बच्चे हैं वो इंटरनेशनल स्कॉलर्स अवार्ड में आकर के मैडम बी प्रियम के गाइडेंस में, यहाँ के बहुत ही अच्छे शिक्षकों के नेतृत्व में वो ज्ञान प्राप्त करें। हाँ, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मैडम बी प्रियम का मुझे यहाँ पे मौका देने के लिए, बोलने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हाँ, शुक्रिया।
Here Principal Ma'am and our Director Ma'am Medha Ma'am is honoring him. He is Mukhya from Birbal Shah. Bajaniya Panchayat. She is Mukhya in Bajaniya Panchayat. Please clap for him. So after taken for granted, as the world focus water scarcity, it becomes our responsibility to protect and conserve this precious resource. Next we have a powerful and thought-provoking Nukkad Natak street play performed by our talented student of class 4, 5 and 6.
Good evening everyone. My name is Rahan Ahmed. I am from class 4th. We are going to place a play which is a Nukat skit on the topic of save water. Thank you. Gift, but from our hands it continues to drift. We waste it, pollute it, without a thought, forgetting the lesson nature has taught. Here's a story, a tale of despair, but also hope. If we choose to care, listen now as these voices call. Save water, it matters to all.
I am a farmer, the one who feed, but water is gone. How will I meet my need? The well is dry, crops are dead. How will I earn my family's bread? Do you waste water without a thought? Remember, without water cannot be bought.
I study hard, I learn in school, but wasting water, that's not cool. Dripping taps, overflowing tank, when water is gone, what will we drink? I promise today to spread the word, saving water must be heard.
Child, your promise gives me hope on you. If all unlike you will pull through.
In my home, I clean with pride, but gallons of water go down the side. While I'm scrubbing, I leave the tap on, not thinking about water that's gone. No more I will change my ways. From today, save water as I work and play.
I am a plumber. I fix what's broken, but many leaks are left unspoken. Dripping taps, broken pipes. Why don't people fix them right? If you see a leak, call someone fast. Don't let water drip. It will never last.
Water is life, it nature's treasure, but wasting it
should I care? Let it flow, there's enough to spare. Showers long, taps left on. Who cares if water is gone?
Stop your thinking it's wrong, my friend. Water is precious, it's not without end. Listen to the voices, hear their plight. Saving water is everyone's right. Close the tap, don't let it run. Saving water is work for everyone.
Without water, food cannot be grown. Save every drop, don't let it go.
Teach your family, friend, peers. Saving water will calm your fear.
Turn off the tap while you clean. Save water, it's best routine.
Fix that leak, don't let it drip. A small effort.
Plant tree, protect every stream. Saving water is not just a...
I was wrong, I have learned today. Water is life, don't throw it away.
Listen to the farmer, his fields are bare. Look at the shopkeeper, his face isn't fair. The homemaker and the student are trying to change, but the wasteful vape is still no strange. Our laugh today thinking water's for free, but soon every drop will come with fee. Think of children, the generations to come. If we waste water now, their future is done.
Such a powerful and meaningful play. The energy, the message and the creativity of these young performers have truly left lasting impact. I know you parents are in hurry, so we have only one performance rest, the pyramid formation.
Attention! Onward! Left punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
पीछे हवाएं हैं।
Attention!
थर्राता एक तूफान जो छूटे जो गुजरे तो थम जाती राहें हैं।
Let's clap for them. Now, we come to end. Now, it is our last performance, the pyramid formation performance and determination. This act also represents balance and resilience. These young performers have not only practically physical skill, but have also learned the importance of trust, focus and synchronization. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
Good evening everyone. Today we present a special act that symbolizes teamwork, strength and balance, a human pyramid formation. That's right, a human pyramid is not just a physical activity but a display of coordination, trust and unity. Watch as our talented students come together to form this breathtaking structure. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us cheer these young athletes as they prepare to showcase their talent. And please, give a big round of applause.
सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिली गिली बारें मैंने उंगली जलाई है। राजा राजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, जो सारी बारें नीले आसमान के तले। शुक्र हो गमे दे
Ahora conmigo tú baila para hoy porque este día te olvidas más problemas lo que sea. ¡Salud! ¡Baila,
राजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। राजा राजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा
सरी वाली नीले आसमां के तले। शुक्र हो गमे दे हाले दे बेचूंगी।
There's no way we can fall. Let us realize that the change will only come when we stand together as one. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who is brighter than fallen star. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's to make a better day, just you and me.
Chief guest, esteemed dignitaries, honorable principal ma'am, parents, dear parents, teachers, and beloved students. It is with profound gratitude and great honor that I stand before you. This annual function has not merely been an event, but a tapestry of creativity, passion, and dedication, woven together by the hands of many. Firstly, I extend my hearty thanks to our distinguished chief guest, whose presence graced this occasion and whose words of wisdom has left an indelible impression on us. Your achievements and ideas illuminate the path for our students, providing with beacon of inspiration. Your words of wisdom and encouragement today were not just a speech. They were a compass pointing our students towards the limitless possibilities in their future. I would like to take this moment to give my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal ma'am, Dr. Mrs. B.P.M. for her visionary leadership, unwavering support and allegiance to the excellence. Your guidance has been driving force behind every success we celebrate today. Thank you for motivating and nurturing everyone in this institution to seek for greatness. To our parents, thank you for trusting us with your children, for believing in our vision and for walking alongside us in this journey. You are silent yet strong pillars behind every achievement we celebrate today. You are the wind beneath our wings. Your partnership in this journey enriches our mission to shape the leaders of tomorrow. To my amazing team of teachers and staff, thank you for your staunch commitment. You are ones who transform challenges into opportunity and potential into performance. Today's success is a reflection of your hard work and perseverance. And to our stars of the evening, our students, your future is in brilliant hands. And to our stars of the evening, our students, you have once again proved that future is in brilliant hands. Your performance today was not just a display of talent, but a statement of resilience, hard work, and ambition. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey. Keep striving, keep believing, and never stop growing. As I look around, I am reminded of a powerful phrase. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Let us all leave today with a renewed sense of purpose and a commitment to making tomorrow even brighter. As we conclude, I thank each one of you for being part of this unforgettable evening. Together we create a legacy of excellence, innovation, and hope. Together, let us continue to inspire, nurture, and lead the way forward. Wishing you all a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you.
Today's memorable celebration, let us take a moment to honor our nation. I kindly request